this morning time. It's dark because we're under the tarp. Adam's over there making coffee. Woohoo! Making breakfast burritos. Lydia's tired. She's tired, but she's good. Got potatoes, onions, peppers, bacon, scrambled eggs, tortillas, breakfast burritos. And the aftermath. Going for a little walk down to the water. It is Saturday morning, about 9:30. Finished up breakfast. Actually, probably closer to 10. Finished up breakfast, getting packed up now. Just taking her for a quick walk down to the river so she can kind of shake out her legs before we pound down a bunch of miles again today. Not sure what the goal is today. The main goal is to get the Big Frog Loop. I don't know if that's going to be a reality or not, which is okay. Had a lot of fun so far already. Explored a bunch of places I haven't been already, which was more so the main goal of this was just to get out and enjoy camping, cook, and spend some time with this one and hang out with Adam. That being said, yeah, I think we're just gonna put miles in, keep wandering around, follow the traverse, try and find some new spots we haven't been to yet, and yeah, make do with that. So this is the spot we stayed at. We're up there at the top because you can't drive in here. We're kind of in the middle of like a scenic highway, so there isn't a whole lot of options for camping off the beaten path, so we kind of just found this spot, and pretty cool. There's a water crossing just up the road a little bit, and nice little creek. Couldn't hear it yesterday. Had no idea it was here because it was absolutely downpouring all night last night, and yeah, that was it. So gonna hit the road in a few minutes and keep exploring on. Oh no! Oh. We are all packed up and ready to go. We're back on tarmac, following the Traverse Trail again. That was a fun little like one-way shoot off. It's a nice little drive to start the morning, especially since we're probably going to be on tarmac for a little bit. This is a scenic byway. I'm not entirely sure which one because I did not catch the road name when we came in, but pretty cool road. This would be awesome to take motorcycles out to, so definitely interested in that. to Cooper's Creek. Over there?
It's just a trail.
Gotcha.
So this here is the Duncan Ridge Trail. It's 33 miles long.
Huh.
It'd be like a...
Yeah, we just got through Cooper's Creek. We're driving through kind of like the WMA part with all the camping and the public access and stuff. So, running along the river here. Lydia's super tired. She decided that she wanted to lay on me and that there was no other option. So this is how we're driving now. Yeah, should be probably getting back on pavement, I'd imagine, pretty soon. We just came off of another section of dirt road. We're now by the Toccoa recreation area. You can see we got the river alongside of us. The weather's not in our favor. It started downpouring on that last little section we were on, last couple miles. It's like a quaint little hood. Taking a detour about 5 miles off the Traverse to go and get some gas really quick. We're back on gravel road, gassed up, and got a snack in. I made the absurd, stupid mistake to put regular gas instead of premium in the Range Rover. And yeah, so I had to put 2 bottles of octane booster in there in hopes that it's enough to fix that issue. So we have been on pavement for absolutely way too long, but we are approaching Big Frog Loop, which is cool. That was kind of the hopeful destination of this trip, was to get to and to do Big Frog Loop. So being that we're going to get there is awesome. Once we get to Big Frog Loop, I'm going to stop and me and Adam are going to talk about whether or not we want to do the loop or if we want to save it for next trip. If we want to do the smaller side of the loop and then get over to whatever the place is on the other side of Big Frog Loop, turn around there and head home from there. Not 100% certain, but I think this was kind of, to me, the majority of the Traverse was getting through Big Frog Loop. I also want to rush it, and I'd rather be able to go and enjoy it. So if that means another trip, it means another trip. So I talked to Adam. We're going to run Big Frog Loop. We're going to take the north end up to Tennessee and see where it goes. We're not in as big of a rush to get home tomorrow as we originally were, which is good. So yeah, should be able to. Taking a little break here. Had to feed Lydia. What's your take?
My car undressed. Hold on. There.
That's fair.
Now you can put it in video.
Mine's open.
Oh.
What's your take, man? How you feeling? What do you think?
This has been an epic trip.
Yeah.
Like more off-roading that I've done in the Carolinas, I think, ever.
Yeah.
Like way, way better.
All right, we were about. What the heck? We are crossing the Tennessee border here in just a second. I'm not entirely sure if it's going to be road marked or not, but I just checked the map and we were just about to cross, so that's kind of cool. So we've been in South Carolina, North Carolina, Georgia, and Tennessee. So, good stuff. She just got a snack and a drink and got to go to the bathroom. Alright, so we got stir-fried veggies, we got some fried rice on the Blackstone, and right here, just going on the grill, we have New York strip steak cut up with a red pepper New York strip steak. Secret sauce.
My 2 a.m. update. The weather sucks. Starting to wake me up.